always leads the youth of India towards right path of success were told by Swami Vivekananda. He was an Indian Hindu monk who was key figure in the introduction of the Indian philosophies of the Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. He was born as Narendranath in a Bengali family at Kolkata on 12 January 1863. He was the sixth son among the 9 children of Sri Vishwanath Datta and Bhubaneshwari Devi. His father was an attorney at Kolkata High Court and his mother was a religious housewife. Although Narendranath was naughty and restless in his childhood, he developed his interest in spirituality from a very young age and used to meditate before the images of Hindu gods and goddesses. His academic record was also brilliant. Here he was the only Indian to score first division marks in Presidency College entrance exam at Kolkata. Along with studies, he was also interested in Hindu holy books including the Veds, the Upanishads, the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata and the Veds. He had also learned the Indian classical music and fond of various kinds of sports. Overall, he was a multi-talented personality. His life changed completely when he met Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans in 1881 at Dakshineshwar. After the death of his father, his family became poor and Narendranath started asking questions on existence of God. His all questions were answered by Ramakrishna Paramhans. In 1887, he took the vows of sannyas and became Swami Vivekananda for the world. In 1883, when he was asked to give a speech on Hinduism in Chicago Parliament of World Religions, he started his speech with words, "Brothers and Sisters of America." At these words, he received a 2-minute standing ovation from the crowd of 7,000. He became a known figure after this speech on Hinduism. He had gone to many parts of the world to spread light of Hinduism. He died in a very short age of 39 years on 4th July 1902. But his words still lead us to light of hope. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Thank you.
स्वामी विवेकानंद जी का विचार था कि संघर्ष जितना कठिन होगा, जीत उतनी ही शानदार होगी। धन्यवाद।
My name is Kushagra Barwa. I am in class 2nd D. I am going to speak. Slogan by Swami Vivekananda. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Thank you.
उठो, जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति ना हो जाए। खुद को कमजोर समझना सबसे बड़ा पाप है। सत्य को हजारों तरीकों से बताया जा सकता है, फिर भी सत्य सत्य ही होगा। दिल और दिमाग के टकराव में दिल की सुनो। किसी दिन आपके सामने कोई समस्या ना आए तो आप सुनिश्चित हो सकते हैं कि आप गलत मार्ग पर चल रहे हैं। जब तक जीना तब तक सीखना। अनुभव जगत में सर्वश्रेष्ठ है। जब तक आप खुद पर विश्वास नहीं करते, आप भगवान पर विश्वास नहीं कर सकते। चिंतन करो, चिंता नहीं। नए विचारों को जन्म दो। जैसा तुम सोचोगे वैसे ही बन जाओगे। खुद को निर्बल मानोगे तो निर्बल, सबल मानोगे तो सबल बन जाओगे।
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम अर्थ मिश्रा है। सुविचार। परेड में पीछे मुड़ बोलते ही पहला आदमी आखिरी और आखिरी आदमी पहले नंबर पर आ जाता है। जीवन में कभी आगे होने का घमंड और आखिरी होने का गम न करे। पता नहीं कब जिंदगी बोलते पीछे मुड़।
नमस्ते मैम, मेरा नाम ऋषि सारस्वत है। मैं कक्षा 2 का छात्र हूँ। मैं आज स्लोगन बोलने जा रहा हूँ। उठो जागो, तब तक ना रुको जब तक कि तुम अपना लक्ष्य प्राप्त नहीं कर लेते। धन्यवाद।
सुनाने हैं। मैं सेकंड ई का छात्र हूँ। स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के सुविचार। एक अच्छे चरित्र का निर्माण हजारों बार ठोकर खाने के बाद ही होता है। धन्यवाद।
मेरा नाम आयुष साहू है। मैं कक्षा 2 का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपको स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के कई सुविचारों में से एक सुविचार सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। जैसा तुम सोचोगे वैसे ही बन जाओगे। खुद को निर्बल मानोगे तो निर्बल, सबल मानोगे तो सबल ही बन जाओगे। धन्यवाद।
Swami Vivekananda was 8 years old when this incident happened. He loved to dangle head down from a champak tree in his friend's compound. One day he was climbing the tree and an old man approached him asking him not to climb the tree. The old man was probably scared that Swami could fall and break his limbs. When Swami Vivekananda questioned him why, the old man told him that a ghost living on the tree, it would hurt him and break his neck if he climbed the tree again. Swami nodded and the old man walked away. Swami Vivekananda was not convinced and he climbed the tree again. All of his friends were scared and asking him why he was doing it despite knowing he would be hurt. He laughed and said, "What a silly fellow you are. Don't believe everything just because someone tells you. If the old grandfather's story was true, then my neck would have been broken long ago." Dear friends, don't believe whatever others says. We should know which is correct and wrong. Always be brave to follow the inner truth. Thank you.